Dude, I broke my garage door, the door leading from the house to the garage, because the boys were downstairs throwing a fit with each other, slamming doors. So I walked back into the house and I slammed the garage door shut. And I'm like, and I couldn't open up the garage door after I shut it. I had to climb in through the window and take apart the doorknob. Oops.
That's a little too forceful.
Yep. Got my point across.
What son was that? He's 17 now. You know, teenagers like to.
Here every time we come out here.
The thing is, we were coming in at dark, and all we could see is our eyes. We started counting the pairs. And they're just standing there. They basically.
I got O-lights. I got 5 lights on me right now. I brought my two night. I got my big old.
Okay, this is Colin from Kincaid Outdoors. We're at the Gathering 2023, and we are doing our giveaway of this really nice go bag, whatever you want to call it. And this is the items going for that. This is also the first prize. We do have a secondary prize, which is this survival kit down here. We're going to be giving away as soon as I start the bingo rolling here. Everybody's got a number chosen, and we will announce the winner as soon as the number is chosen. We're going to pull 2 numbers. So, if you're ready for that, we can start doing the rolling. Can you see the roller from there? I want to make sure we're. So I'm going to run it backwards 3 times, and then I'm going to roll it once forward. Then I'm going to do it again. Okay? Okay, here's the turn it around this way. This is the where it's coming down. I'll go backwards first. Once.
Oh, yeah. You got the shatterproof.
Twice.
Yeah, aluminum alloy. Yeah.
3 times.
I took mine.
And this one's for all the Marlboro people.
You know, it's 9 meters and no problem, no leak.
And the winner is.
Yeah, I think these ones lie too on the.
Guys.
I'm going to have to.
073.
Hey,
Rob got it.
Yay!
I told you.
Congratulations.
Wait, did we? Yes, we did wait.
Thank you.
That is awesome.
So, this is all yours.
Oh my. All of it? What's the secondary prize?
Okay, I haven't done that yet. I'm going to
Okay.
do that real quick. If you guys waited 1 second, I've got one more roll to do.
Man, I should
this is gonna be
have drove the truck. Okay, so we straight up got our first win?
Yeah, there's a secondary one right now. The winner of the second prize, B13.
Molly! Molly!
Molly,
Oh, she forfeits.
you can accept in Molly's stead.
She's at the restroom.
I know where she's at.
Prize!
But congratulations, Rob.
That's awesome.
My vehicle.
No, I honestly though, I thank everybody for pitching in and doing it.
That will be more valuable.
It's great, man. It's awesome. I didn't never think I was going to win. That's so great.
Hey guys,
Got me a bug out bag now.
Elk Rock State Park.
That's cool.
We just did our giveaway for
Put it in
the
your bug out bag.
bug out bag, and we got our first winner right here. This gentleman,
Put it in your bag.
one number, got it.
You want to do another
all of
handshake?
this.
Congratulations, brother. I'm glad you got
There's
it.
an awesome host right there, Colin. We got the whole crew.
I've been trying to win one of them things, man. Oh no, I did win some lures from JV.
Yeah, but this is
There is a lot bigger than that.
there's a lure in there,
His
by the
lovely
way.
woman over there.
You got a hand fishing kit and everything.
Dan,
So
we got Dan Rob. We got
Yeah.
everybody over here.
What the?
yeah, your hubby just
Shut
won
the
this.
front door.
Fun, all of this.
Hey, Rob, take inventory now
You got
before
a
she
second. You
picks
won
out.
secondary.
Yeah.
You won
Oh, she's
second
going to
prize.
pick everything else she wants anyway.
It's right there.
All of this right here.
Jason, could you grab the second prize, please?
Everybody celebrate.
That's yours, Molly.
I thought I got that small bag.
No, you got this.
I think we're
That's got a waterproof case, a flashlight.
Oh, I thought that little bag was second prize.
No, this is
No bingo roller,
I was
but that's
like,
what we used to
oh,
pick.
cool, the
But yeah, we
races
got
are in
all of this
No.
up here.
That's all part of this thing.
We still out here. We
If
still.
he wants to give stuff away to people, he can do that too.
I want half.
You want to do another giveaway?
You want to give some stuff away or not?
We got a Rob
We
on
can
this
still
side,
do that.
Tyler Woods over there.
Rob, take everything you want and then let people get what they want.
Take what you want. Yeah, go through that. Yeah, get this.
Oh, I want that O-line.
You're getting your saw back.
No, I'm gonna put everything that I put in another giveaway.
Oh, hey guys,
I just gave one
Cliff.
giveaway already.
we're doing another giveaway.
So
He doesn't care.
yes,
All right, I'm gonna get out.
Hey, Rob,
yeah.
can I have the bootlaces?
The what?
Bootlaces. They're in one of the kits. They probably.
Yeah, you can
Right
have. Yes, you bet.
I never want to see those suits.
What's going on there, folks? How y'all doing there? Name's Herbert T. How you been? Y'all seen Dan around here anywhere? I've been looking for him. Oh, mercy me. Honey, give me some of that Tennessee white lightning. White tea. Yes, sir. Oh, I got something for you over here. Let me go get you.